Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Ejiubas stamping plate review for you guys, and this is the Nature Nail stamping plates. They have recently released this set of two plates that they did in collaboration with Sarah Art. She is a nail vlogger in YouTube, or maybe you have seen her in other social media like Instagram or Facebook. This is the way it comes in this beautiful purple envelope, and then on the reverse of the envelope you're gonna find some information about the company, what they do, and where to find them, like their website, maybe Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. For this collaboration they released two plates. It's the Ejiubas plus Sarah R1 and Sarah R2. As you know, these are double-sided stamping plates. They come with a blue protective film on both sides, and they measure 14 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Now let's take a closer look without the film. And they have single images which measure 2 centimeters by 1.5 centimeters. In this nature nail stamping plates, you're gonna find flowers, leaves, bugs, birds, butterflies, and some beautiful owls. For today's swatches, I'm gonna be using my Bundle Monster Mega Stamper and my Marshmallow Stamper by Moyo London. And I'm just using this random gift card. For polishes, I'll be using Mundo de Uñas Black and White and Sinful Colors Snowy White and Black on Black. I already prepared some pop sticks with beautiful colors, and now let's get swatching. And here you have those swatches. This is how beautiful they stamp. I didn't have any trouble with any of the images on any of the plates. I find the Ejiubas plates to be on the deeply edged side, so the only thing I recommend is to use a rolling motion to pick up or transfer the images, just so you don't disturb the image in case you're using a marshmallow stamper. As you could see, they stamp beautifully with regular nail polish as well as stamping polish. I want to thank Ejiubas for sending me these plates for review. And if you're interested in these plates, in the description box below you'll find all the links and information. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Oh, and don't forget to keep on stamping. Bye!